Hello, my name is Kenny Tong, and I am the Customer Success Manager at Asset Intel. Today, I'm very excited to share some of our monthly inspectX updates with you. This month, we're excited to roll out a major improvement to the forms in inspectX to prepare users for the full SNBI transition. Here's a quick walkthrough. First, let's navigate it to an Assets Inspection section. Inside the inspection sections, you will see a list of approved inspections. Let's click on an operations drop-down next to an inspection that's collected in NBI format. Click on View Inspection. A new pop-up will appear prompting you to select the version of the form you want to use. First, let's try SNBI. Let's go to the Conditions page. Because this inspection is collected in NBI format, you will not see any data appear for the SNBI fields. Now let's refresh and go to NBI instead. Switching to the NBI forms, users will be able to view their historical data in NBI format. Now, why this matters? This new report versioning functionality ensures that you can view historical NBI inspections even after your agency has fully switched to the new SNBI standards, maintaining data continuity across your bridge inventory. Those were the major updates for this month. Stay tuned for our next installment with more amazing updates on inspectX.